Hold on, Ted.
Well, not because Messi came to Jamaica. I got disregard the facts that Portmore United beat Mount Pleasant. Pick up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Can you imagine the Jamaica Premier League continues game of play? I was a bit concerned though, because initially I thought all the games would have been better to play it on Wednesday. Not sure why games and even play on Thursday as well. So that make it very, very difficult for persons who want to watch them team play on Thursday, because Thursday was the match between Cavalier and Inter Miami, the famous Lionel Messi situation. But as you know, football continue and the game go on. Another big game week, huge game week, especially where the top 6 is concerned. We're going to get to that. As I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's just jump straight to that now. First game one touch on is the Mount Pleasant game. Now, this game in itself, I thought it was a fierce matchup between Mount Pleasant and Portmore United. Tackles flying in, beatings, referee, coaches, all different type of excitement that go on. But the game went down to the nitty-gritty, and Ronaldo Robinson coming off the bench to put in a screamer. He really drive his left foot through that one. And to beat Shaquan Davis from that far, you have to really put some power in that. And Portmore United at home taking the victory. No team has ever done 3 back-to-back wins on Portmore United. 3 consecutive. It has never happened before. Going to that game, I wonder if it's going to happen, but Portmore United hold back to some dignity. They lost the two first games they lose 3 seasons. Let me check it. Yeah, I should believe so. I should believe that's the case. They lose one at home. You lose it at home 2-0, and they lost at Mount Pleasant 1-0. Then now, them turn up. Portmore United get the job done. Big up yourself, coach. Big up yourself, everybody. Big up yourself. All right, so next game we have on the agenda. These 2 games are the games I played on Wednesday. Is Tivoli Garden versus Montego United. Quite an interesting one. And because Montego down on deep, or should I say a dark position where the season standings are concerned. A dark place. Montego are at 27 points. They are 11 on the table. Fortunately, they are 5 points clear of the relegation zone right now, because Chapleton Maroons, Vere Phoenix United, and Dunbeholden are still struggling. But Tivoli Garden pushed themselves into 8th position on 36 points. And they're technically right now, they're 5 points. Is that 5? Yeah, they're 5 points shy of top 6. And Race United sitting in the top 6 position. We'll get into that. Tivoli Garden win a brace here. A brace from Anthony Nelson, 1 in the 10th minute. Also the next in the 30th minute of the game. And then now Lennox Russell in the 75th minute complete the day's event. Next up on the next match day, which was Thursday, the busy day for everybody. Dunbeholden face Arnett Garden, down at Arnett Garden. And technically this game not really going to go nowhere else. Especially Fox say Dunbeholden got an early red card through bins. And from a see that, you know the game they'll go. Dunbeholden did came to play. Based off of some of the clips I see, obviously Dunbeholden came to play. Unfortunately, it just wasn't enough. Shea Smith in the 28th minute, the informed striker Runner Brown in the 48th minute after the second half. Nakil Wright, who continues to find the back of the net for Dunbeholden this season in the 88th minute. And then full time, or should I say, added time, Fabian Reed 90+2 and Jeremy Nelson 90+4 to seal the deal for Arnett Garden. As it stands, Arnett Garden jumped to second on 62 points. I not trust this, I not trust the table I know, but you know me, I go work with it. Yeah. So I'm gonna move from that. Now, next match here we have is Harbour versus Chapleton Maroon. I thought this game would have been a little bit closer. Unfortunately, that's not the case. And Harbour, who actually since the return of the other players, just have fly go up the table, which is a good look. Anytime them buck teams in and around this area, they will get the results because when they play against the bigger teams, the better teams, it's a difficult, it's a tough game, so you know what to expect. Next up we have sorry, my apologies. Goal scorers for Harbour, even though that time the game done 3-love. I'm only seeing Rohan Brown. Let me just clarify who scored the third goal. Rohan Brown in the 31st minute, Trayvon Henry penalty, and Rohan Brown again in the 79th minute. Next up, we have on the agenda, Chapleton Maroon has some leaky situation at 22 points. 22 points, Chapleton Maroon, 22 points. Next up, we have on the agenda is Vere Phoenix versus Montego United. Montego United played this game with 10 players. Jordan Fletcher with the opener. Then we have John Weatherly on opening in the 5th minute, actually early goal. John Weatherly in the 40th minute. And Josiah Trimingham is one who got the red card in the 57th minute. And Tariq McGee on the 59th minute, finding back a consolation goal. That also keep Vere Phoenix in a leaky situation, just as I mentioned, with Chapleton Maroons. Vere Phoenix still remains at the bottom of the table on 13th position on 22 points. Very, very dark days ahead. And this should be the final game. And final game of the day. This is in my view, probably the most interesting game of the day in Race United versus Waterhouse. And this is a top 6 battle. Now, in all aspect, the big part about this is Waterhouse was at home. And Racing gone to Waterhouse, get the 3 points. A 3-0 victory margin. That's a big statement. That's a statement win by Racing United. Breaking into the top 6. This is the first they have done so far this season. Possibilities are they're going to have to try and maintain that or sustain that. So far, they are doing quite good because against the top teams, they are getting some good results. They drew with Arnett Garden. They drew with Montego United. They drew with Portmore United. And all of these teams are the teams that are in front of them. Scary days ahead when Racing United break into the top 6. First goal scored by KD Youngster for Racing on the 27th minute. Second goal in the 64th minute by the man in form, technically the best attacking midfielder, I would say. I think possibly one of the best midfielders in the league right now, in Nikhil Ellis for Racing in the 64th minute, and then topping it off on the 90+7 minute with a goal to finish the game 3-0. This is a huge statement win. Huge statement win, I tell you. People, I don't think the level of fear what this win can punch into teams them above the top of the table. Crazy stuff. Anyways, well done Racing United. Big something that's a huge thing. Smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. This is a quick review or reaction show of the game week 30. See you guys for game week 31. Even though the numbers are mixed up, but soon if you next one. Look out for your preview, probably either tomorrow morning or this evening. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Boom. And I mean outside.